Rosemary is an aromatic and a medicinal plant that has so many uses and health benefits. It has antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in vitamin A, B, C, and E. Therefore, it is rich in antioxidants. So guys, one of the uses of this aromatic leaf is that you can use it to make essential oil, and also you can use it to make tea. Welcome back guys to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also like this video and share with your friends. Today I'll be showing you how to make rosemary tea, and you will get to like the aroma and the flavor that comes from this tea. Stay tuned and watch to the end and see how the tea is made. Let me start by washing my leaves before using it. I'm going to just rinse this to make sure the leaves are clean before I start making tea with this. Just going to rinse this twice. Okay, I'm going to place the pot on heat. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this. I'm just going to make 1 serving. I'm going to add the rosemary into the water to cook together with the water. I'm going to place the lid over it and bring the water to a boil. 10 minutes later, the tea is properly infused. I'm going to turn off heat and strain this right away. Okay, place the strainer over a bowl or a jug, then strain the tea into the jug. Then you can get rid of the rosemary. To improve the taste of my rosemary tea, I'm going to add in lemon juice. I'm just squeezing half lemon into this. If you love the taste of lemon, you can also add to yours. Otherwise, you can just take the tea the way it is. It's really aromatic and it smells really good. So you can choose not to sweeten this. If you want to take it like that, it's still okay. I'm just going to pour it into the mug and serve it hot. You can leave yours to cool before serving. So this is how I enjoy mine, sweetened with honey. Okay, I'm just going to stir this to combine. So guys, your rosemary tea is ready. I love this tea. It smells really good and it has so many health benefits that you can derive from this. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please, are you new to my channel? Remember to subscribe, share my video with your friends, and also you can leave me your suggestion in the comment section. What do you think about rosemary tea? And also don't forget to like the video as well. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.